No! Wait lang. Ba't ganun yung background? Lalo ko naiiyak.
Alright, once again, no, thank you so much. And this is it now for our second part of our program. Let us welcome again Miss Shakti. Welcome to the Legality. And this time, please be ready for our intermission number. Let us welcome to entertain us. Let us welcome Eunice Novero, Ashley Novero, and Alejandro Julia.
Let's
And of course, no, let's have a short wish din, no? So, okay, so let's have a short lang naman, a very short message to our loved one. So,
happy 80th birthday! Di ba sabi mo? Di ba Di ba t-shirts? Sabi ko, okay lang kahit hindi. Kaya, ito. Perfume lang yun Yode parfum, kaya alam mo. So, yung pinapili ko dito is Katy Perry. So, syempre, namay ko muna yan. Kasama ko si Tita Juan Budget. So, sana magustuhan mo and happy 80th birthday! Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Ashley. And now, may I call on Mr. Carl Baltimore. Let's proceed to Miss Rika Yamson. And let's have Miss Rosel Manguba.
So, ito magugustuhan mo. Pwede mo siya magamit sa mga special na occasion. Oo, okay. Happy birthday.
Parang gusto kong i-open niya na. Ang curious ako dyan. Kaya dito suotin doon sa formal. Galing mo open? Ayaw niya. Okay, thank you. And now, may I call on Miss Angelica Dion. Jolan Ayago. A short message to our debutant.
Happy birthday, Ashanti. Stay ka lang and good luck sa journey mag this exam college.
Thank you, Faye.
Thank you, ma'am.
And now, may I call on Miss Althea Bourbon. Daming fans.
Sige, ako na lang magsasalita.
Ikaw na lang po siya.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in this world. And etong gift ko na to, naiyak na ako. Hindi siya ganun kamahal, pero alam ko na pag nabuksan mo to, ako yung makakala. Bago mo yung mabuksan mo. Thank you, be.
Thank you. And up. Kakanta ka daw! Kakanta!
Mamaya kayo sa akin, table number 5 ah.
Ang ganda na nag-usapan niyo, no? Ay, pala ko yung message na siya. Sige, message.
Happy birthday, Ashanti. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Parang napadaan lang siya.
Parang kakanta talaga siya.
Nakanta daw siya.
What song? Once again, palapagan natin ang ating YMV shirts.
Wish, paano sa... Play ko ba yan? Hindi pa ito.
Wala na may
She's been inside, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love won't end.
Ayoko na po.
It's the same old feeling back again. It's the old back when every time tomorrow I see. But somehow, something has never changed. Every time I go away, it's burning brighter than it did before. They got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's like she used to smile way back then, just feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something kept them waiting for this
sa panahon. Inom yung mic. Okay, let's have Miss Abigail Garrett. Hindi pala 18 shirts, 18 singers. Yun pala dapat. Sige, we can have a wish now to our Davidas.
So, happy birthday, Ashanti. Sana pagdating mo yung pag-aaral. Real bar. Ikaw ka ba ito? Ayoko.
Ito mo nakapink ka ngayon din.
Yan lang, happy birthday. Ang ganda mo. May nahama ka ng totoong bargain. Ang wish ko sa'yo is sana marating mo na yung dream country mo. Next year. Next year. So yun na, happy birthday. I love you, Ashanti.
Alright, thank you. And now, may call on Miss Hazel Corderos. And now, let's have Miss Ella Tech. Are you there? And Miss Trisha Lan. Miss Micaela Mojeco. Ayun.
So yun, happiest birthday, Ashanti. Nakakakit kita talaga. I love you so much. Pwede pa kiss? So diba, 18 t-shirts, pero yung bilhin ko bag kasi hindi dumating yung t-shirt. Next week na lang. Next week na lang yung t-shirt ako. Bag to. So wala.
So, let's have Miss Marie Yao. Once again, please give hands to Miss Marie Yao.
Ay, ito kakanta.
Happy birthday, happy 18th birthday, Ashanti. So this birthday must be a special birthday for you. And I hope magawa mo ng mga dreams mo, and should always follow you.
Alright, thank you, Miss Maria. And now may I call on Miss Sean Tan.
May message talaga. May pagpalitan pa ako. I wish you a happy birthday. Sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko dahil yung pinagdalaman nito. Meron yun. Maliit lang. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Thank you so much for such a long message. And now, let's have Mr. Paul Fineza.
Hindi mo nalagap ng ito. Hindi ko alam sa pamag-interview. Wish ko sana magtagal at sana maging dahil tayo sa circle natin natin with high school. Kulang na lang si Banto, sila Tan. Yun lang. Salamat.
Okay, let's have a photo op muna. Picture. And now may I call on Mr. Please give hand to Mr. Julius Bactor.
Happy 10th birthday, Shanti. 18th birthday. Wish you all the best. Luck.
And now let's have Mr. Brent Lam. Once again, please a big hand for Mr. Brad.
First of all, happy birthday. I'm sorry hindi ako nakapunta kanina ng maaga. Sa akin hindi sila nagka-happy. Doon, ang gift ko, yung price lang sa'yo. Kasi sabi ko, mag-t-shirt eh. Parang nilagay na lang sa sa video lang naman. And I just wanted to wish din na sana patuloy nyo yung pagiging good friend mo. Lalo na sa circle natin dati. And yun lang. I just wish you the best. Yun lang.
And for our last 18 shirts, may I call on Miss Erika Yakson.
No, babe. I'm nervous.
Advance ah.
Kasi kami nakabili ng ano ba to? Gift wrapper. Busy masyado. Ayun lang, t-shirt. Wag na lang. Sunod na lang, palalabog ko na. Yun lang, happy birthday. And wish ko. Sabi ko na kanina. Sing mo na lang sa messenger. Okay.
Alright, once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating 18 shirts. And calling attention of all 18 shirts participants can be proceeded in front for photo op. Lahat po ng ating 18 candles can be proceeded here at the arc entrance. Calling the attentions of all 18 candles, Mrs. Violeta, Ninang Melly, Capistrano, Mrs. Corazon, Mrs. Cheska, Miss Jennifer, Miss Isa, Mrs. Rems, Miss Jennifer, Miss Ashley, Miss Irish, Miss Glory, Miss Abigail, Miss Kim, Mrs. Jane, Mrs. Jenry, Mrs. Jennifer, Mrs. Asel, and Mrs. Marie Ann. Once again, calling the attentions of at syempre, hindi mo ba mahuli si Ninang and last round, Mrs. Corazon Payo. At syempre, let's have Mrs. Cheska Payo. And let's welcome Miss Jennifer Capistrano. And let's have Miss Isa Capistrano. Hey, turn around, turn around. And let's have Mrs. Miguel Diana.
Deixa a timidez de lado, puxa amiga e vem dançar. Mostra tudo que cê sabe, buga Deixa a timidez de lado, puxa amiga e vem dançar. Mostra tudo que cê sabe que o Livinho vai te olhar. Pode sentar. Pode sentar. E se tiver muito excitada, pode dançar pelada. Se tiver muito excitada, pode dançar pelada.
Drop it! Let's go!
Ver você descer. Balança a bunda agora, eu quero ver você descer. Balança a bunda agora, eu quero ver você descer.
And let's have Mrs. Jane Taya. And let's Miss Jane Taya. And of course, let's welcome Mrs. Jennifer Castro. And let's have Mrs. Asel Tesorero. Let's do it. And let's have Mrs. Marie. 18 candles. Nasaan na yung mic natin? Where's the mic? Ayun. So, syempre, wish mo na no, sa ating gawilan. Let's start with you, Ma. And then, Ashanti. Yan, move forward ka na Ashanti para makita natin ang ating. Yan. Yes po.
Ang 18th birthday, Ashanti. Kasi 18th, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Yung mga goals mo sa life, yung dreams mo pag-exam, and even the things you wish for one day. Sana lagi kang surrounded by people who support you and make you feel loved. Sana huwag kang mawala ng confidence sa sarili mo because you're capable of so much more than you think. And sana maging kayo sa'yo ang future full of good moments, people and opportunities. Nakilala kita kasi yung mama ko and mama was best friends. So parang nasanib lang yung pagiging friend nila. Sana mag-stay pa yun kahit no karoon tayong trabaho and kung ano po nangyari sa future. Yun lang. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday. Once again, thank you po. And then next, thank you.
Happy birthday, Shanti. Sana magaling ka ng mabuti. Mag-share mo lahat ng dreams mo. And always be wise, especially tonight, because you have a beautiful birthday.
Hi Shanti, happy birthday. I hope na makamit mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay and continue shining your own unique way. And again, happy birthday. We love you so much.
Hello, Sean.
Happy 18th birthday. Sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo and then good luck sa OJT mo. Yan lang.
Di siya.
Happy birthday.
Pa rin tawagin sila please sa kasigilan sa taas.
Huwag ka muna ako, surprise yan. Dadala ko yan.
So,
Nakangaling na ako.
gusto ko lang sabihin na you are a very good person.
Parang di masyado, no?
I know how hardworking you are as a student, and I'm so amazed by your hardworking. So I'm not gonna say do your best. Just continue what you're doing because you're smart, you're pretty, and you know you're successful. So yeah, just stay who you are. 'Cause you're just like your mom. And sumisip pa ako. So we're here for you. We're your family. Just here we guide we guide you and we love you. Happy 18th birthday.
Ang galing, may mic mo lang. So much yan.
Siyempre, happy birthday. Sana matapos ka sa para makatulong ka. Lalo kasi mama mo, mahal na mahal ka ng mama mo. At least, kaya dito, mag-tsaga kang bata, mag-tsaga. Saka wala akong masasabi ni Shanti, napakalaking. Ang tuhan mo kayo.
So, saan? Kala ko joke lang kayo eh. Thank you. Thank you.
Ba't ganun yung background? Lalo ko naiiyak. Ba yan? Basta, ayoko na tuloy. Ayan, basta happy birthday, Charlie. Alam mo na yung mamaya. Kasi na kasi.
Full of message. Okay, next.
Ramdam talaga.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Saga.
Pipicture ka pa.
Lalaban na daw.
Okay, yan time.
Kahit na hindi ko plano ng family natin. Thank you kasi narinig tumilang ate namin ni Chase. Kahit na pinapagaling na ako.
Parang lagi yun ah.
Well, thank you ate.
Oh, paalala lang po, yung wishes, buhay pa po si Achara. Baka ko na sinisindihan niya dyan eh. Okay, next.
Before I tell you my wish, I just want to tell everybody to mind that Ashanti is my step-sister. So, magkano po ng mother, blessing dad. I never seen her grow, every mood, every face, hindi ko po nakita. But I'm here, you're here, I'm with the singer Legality. I just want to say na papasok ng college life. If you need help, I'm here. Lalo si Ashley, nakagusto niya ako eh. Kasi kada assignment niya sa akin niya binibigay eh. But always romanticize your life, always. Keep your mindset strong, lalo sa college, very depressing yan. Lalo sa mga workloads mo. Always think positive, make your perspective positive, and I wish the stars may align with you. Happy birthday!
Alright, thank you. No, from the Sweet Sister. Next po tayo.
Thank you for that. Parang ang ringam. Hi, I'm Slay. Ashanti. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Napakabait mong bata. I wish you all the best. All the best talaga. Dahil napakabait ka mo. Ha? You are a responsible sister to your siblings. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to birthday. I love you. Hi, happy 8th birthday. Yung wish ko sa'yo is sana magkaroon ka ng spell. Hindi ko ba ay happy na lang.
Happy na love na Thank you.
Alright, so this time, no, coming from the loving mother of our beautiful friend. Message po.
Lalo ko sila binahe ko ngayon. Pero proud ako sa'yo kasi nakayanan mo yung kahit wala ako, nandiyan ka para tumayo.
Ay, na pa yan siya.
Tumigas. Naging mabuti kang ate sa mga mga kapatid mo at responsible naman. Okay. Yun. Nagpapasalamat ako. Kasi nakarating ako dito. Tsaka na nakayanan ko kahit mag-isa ako. Na Ayun mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Kakayanin natin ito kahit tayo na. God's will, gawin tayo ni Lord. Buksan ba? Yun, I love you. Bago kayong tatlo. Baka apat na. Joke! Love you. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much, no, from the mother of our debutant. So this time, no, Ashanti, come here, nalapit kayo dito sa akin. Okay, so please proceed, no, line kayo, yan. Matay-pantay tayo, yan. Line po tayo. Apo. So this time, Ashanti, no, we're going to blow the candles. And of course, 18 candles, you're going to say, may your wish come true, Ashanti, nang sabay-sabay. At pwede po natin sabayan ang ating 18 candles. Okay, sasabihin po natin, may your wish come true, Ashanti. And now, it's your turn to blow your candles from here to there at the last candles. Okay, once again, ready? May your wish come true, Ashanti. Ready? Go! May your wish come true, Ashanti. Once again, palakpakan natin ang ating 18 candles.
Ganap na ganap ka.
Alright, thank you so much, no? Adding 18 candles, let's have a photo op, of course. Mr. Greg, Mr. Boa, and Mrs. Eileen, Mr. Danton. Once again, calling the attentions of all 18 bills. And together with Mr. Shoki and Mr. R. Once again, calling the attentions of our 18 bills.
Sa'yo kaya siya.
Sumama pa.
Siyempre, ako ito nga mag-going to Dapat pabalik mo, saka sa kapatid mo, mama mo, lahat kami dito sa bahay. Dapat ko nakita na, kami yung dapat pulang kasi mga umili. Yung lahat kasi.
Once again, palapakan po natin si Ninang Baggy. And now, may I call on please again hand to Mr. Nico Borja. Please give him a round of applause.
Ano na lang, happy birthday. Thank you sa invitation mo. Buti nga nakahabol pa kami, galing mo yung goal. Basta kung enjoy mo yung birthday mo, family mo, mama mo, dito lang lagi ka tumingin para sa'yo.
And for our next bill, may I call on Mrs. Cecil Borja.
Hello! Happy birthday!
Picture mo na.
Pagka umaga, baka din ang talabating. Patuloy natin. Talagang happy ka sa mga. Ito mag-isip mo ka. Mula Monday hanggang Friday, na umaga. Pagpatuloy lang natin. Napakabayad dito. Happy birthday!
Alright, thank you so much, sir. And now, may I call on Mrs. Rams Giana.
Happy birthday siya. Pawiin ko yan.
Wala naman ito.
Let's have Mr. Sunday Bias.
Hi Sean, happy birthday. Happy end birthday pala. Sorry, ano yung kasi yung... Yun, wish ko lang na maging mabait ka pa rin. Tuloy mo yan. Alam ko na sobrang bait mo. Magalang. Basta, napakabait mong bata. Sana dahil yung mama mo, yun. Ayun sa ating Grace. Ayun, hindi namin expect na makakawin siya dito sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday, Sean. Good luck. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Sandy. And now, may I call on Miss Isa Capistrano.
I'm here again. I'm just gonna say, galing yung lagi sa school. Shut po no.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Isa. And now, may I call on Mr. June Arroyo.
Shanti daw. Ayun happy birthday and happy New Year, Merry Christmas to you. Yun lang, mahal ka magbuti, tsaka huwag ka magkakating. Nahuli ka the rest time. Ayun, ito ang masahe mo. God bless.
Thank you po po, sir.
Bakit na ulit?
Magaling si sir. Sir, okay, let's have our next Aiden Bills. May I call on Miss Violeta Vallejo.
Happy birthday, Sean. Thank you so much. Please hold. Thanks.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. Photo ako muna ng picture lang. And now may I call on Mr. Rolly Vallejo. Yeah, si Sir Rolly. It's your turn for our one of the Asian Bears.
Nakalimutan ko na ayun muna, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, sobrang proud ako sa iyo. Pinakapanganay ko na pamangkin sa side ng mga kapatid ko. So, pagbutihan mo, huwag kang mapapagod sa pagkagay sa dalawang kapatid ko since ikaw ngayon parang tumata yung parents nila since si Papa or si Mama mo naman sa abroad. Ano pa ba? Ayun lang, good luck sa mga challenges mo sa buhay. Sana maging successful ka kung ano yung tatahan mo. Ayun, thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Roy. And now, may I call on Mrs. Cheska Vallejo. Please give her a round of applause.
Wala si Tita parang pinipilit ka ta. Dalawa to kasi wala si Tita Maluya. Hindi na ako galing naman. So, ayun. Tingin sa akin.
Sana ako yung isa-isang laban.
Happy birthday. Ayun.
Ayaw na umiiyak.
Basta ano. Tuloy mo lang.
Yung alin? Yung itutuloy ko. Oo.
Tapos yung isa nasa ibang bansa. Kaya yung i-handle yung situation yun. Tapos ikaw may ipanalasal. Nagka-proud kasi ano. No. So, parang strong role ka man. Kaya ano, sana ano, patuloy kang i-bless the Lord. I-guide ka. For loving.
Alright, thank you so much, Mama. Okay, dalawa. Okay, now let's have Mr. Rogelio Vallejo.
Proxy lang talaga. Hello again, sir. Happy birthday again. Stay soft-hearted and feel young as you grow older.
Alright, thank you. And now, may I call on Mr. Greg Vallejo.
Ito ako. Inukit ko pa yan. Dito. Shanti, happy birthday. Dilig ako sa'yo kasi kahit wala sa'yo Ate Grace, tumatayo kami lang kami na Ashley Chase. Salamat. Pili ka na ulo mamaya. Wala mag-focus. Ayun lang. Salamat.
Alright, thank you. And now, may I call on Mr. Bobo Corrado. And let's have Mrs. Irene Amorin.
Sabi ko, ayoko sa 18 candles kasi ayoko mag-speech. Hindi pa kayo ito. Happy 18th birthday. Katulad ng sinabi ng mama ko. Ayoko. Happy 18th birthday.
Oh, mukhang marami-rami. Wow! Alright, thank you so much. At dahil dyan, sasayo ka man. Picture ka muna. Okay. Now, let's have Mr. Daddy Chong. For our next interviews, may I call on Mr. Shotty. Mr. Shotty. And for our last agent bills, Mr. Art. Are you there, Mr. Art? Alright, once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating agent bills. Kaya po sit here for photo op. Once again, palakpakan po natin si Mr. Elliot.
May message siya.
May message. Ano lang ako, may sali lang ako nung nanay ko. Hindi ko makalakad. Message. Wala akong sabi kay Shanti. Last time nakita ko siya, ganun. May salamin pa ngayon. Wala.
Nakakontak na siya.
Nakakontak. So, ang observation ko lang and my wish, kasi ng mom mo, kalog, at the same time, tough. So, stay tough, stay strong for your family. And best wishes for you.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Elliot. Let's have a photo op muna, sir. Ayan. Category. The first category ay let's have the category ingredients of adobo. Ready? Go! Adobo. Ingredients ng adobo. Patatas.
Toyo. Pepper.
Paminta.
Wow! Paminta pepper. Okay, you can now eliminated on this game. Thank you so much. Next.
Lauren.
Suka? Nabanggit ba yung suka? Okay, suka.
Sugar.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you're now eliminated on this game. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're now eliminated on this game. Okay, what already mentioned, the water or tubig. Thank you so much, ma'am. Asin.
Caldero.
Ano po?
Betchin.
Wala na ka. Hindi, yung una mo sinabi. Ano sabi mo? Ingredients mo sa adobo ay?
Caldero.
Kalbo. Yan yung nakakita ng adobong kaldero ah. Okay, you're now eliminated on this game. Pork.
Laurel.
Na-mention na po ang laurel kanina po ni ma'am. Okay, next.
Onion.
Onion. Wala pa.
Chicken cubes.
Again po.
Chicken cubes.
Okay, chicken cubes.
Nor.
No. My friend.
Pwede.
I-mention na po.
Pwede, no seasoning.
Seasoning.
No seasoning.
Okay, wala. Seasoning daw. Okay, sige. Seasoning.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Pork cubes. Oh, kanina chicken. Kanina pork. Okay, sige. Next.
Beef.
Okay, sige. Beef cubes.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Sili.
Sili. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're now eliminated on this game.
Chicken liver.
Chicken liver.
Calamansi.
Calamansi.
Bawang.
Okay, it's already mentioned na po ang bawang. Alright, so we have here the top 4. So this time, ang ibibigay na category ay second category, mga bagay na matigas. Mga bagay, ba't wala sila? Mga bagay na matigas. Ready, go! Kahon. Rock. 5.
Rockstone.
Five.
Sol.
Salt. Sige. Rock salt. Halwa. Ulo. Ulo. Anong ulo, ma'am? Ay, kanina. Marami kasi ulo. Anong ulo?
Matigas ang ulo.
Matigas ang... Dito kayo, ma'am. Ay, hindi, ma'am. Tama. Okay, ready, go. 5. Plastic. What kind of plastic? Tupperware.
Bones.
Boom! Sige.
Fiberglass.
Okay, glass.
Bone tags.
5.
Sunglass.
Sunglass. O, sige. 5, 4, 3, 2, medals. 5, 4.
Matigas sa tako.
Matigas sa tako. Okay, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, Okay, you're now eliminated on this game. Opo na po, ma'am. Okay, next tayo. Next category. Mga bagay na mahaba. Okay, mga bagay na mahaba. Long things. Okay, ready? Go!
Chopstick.
Chopstick.
Lapis.
Lapis.
Anaconda.
Anaconda. Anaconda, mga bagay. O sige, mga bagay dapat na. Okay, next.
Belt.
Belt.
Putlo.
Aplong. Aplong.
Aplong. Ano pa naman? Ano puntong sa aplong?
Mahaba yung isa naman. Aplong.
Okay, go.
Aplong.
Next time.
Ano?
Next time.
Oh, mic stand. Bakit? Again?
Rubber band.
Rubber band. Sige, rubber band.
Pag-inom.
5, 4, 3, buhok. Buhok. 5. Again?
Tennis.
Oh, sige. Ano, once again, ano sabi mo?
Hindi na kaya.
Alaw ba natin yan? Alaw? Hindi. Okay, you're now eliminated on this game. So this time, ito po ang ating winners for category. Palakpakan po natin. Alright, thank you. So let's have a photo of muna picture. And once again, palakpakan natin ang ating 18 shots participants. And this time, Happy Legality Ashanti, 18 participants, ready, go! Cheers! And Happy Legality Ashanti! You may have your shot! Shot po na! Alright, isang masigabong palakpakan for Ashanti and Happy Legality! Alright, 18 shots, are you still here? Okay, let's have a short interview. Short interview lang tayo. Short interview. Anong klaseng pagkain, Shanti? Alright, sige, let's start with you. Okay. Okay, what kind of food si Ashanti?
May explanation ba?
Yes. What kind of, any kind of food na naaalala mo every time na makikita mo si Ashanti? Kapag kasama kayong kumain, ano yung mga fab food niya?
Chicken po. Okay,
chicken. Why chicken?
Yun po yung palagi niyang inaan sa akin. Palibre daw po chicken.
Okay. Chicken. Okay, next. What kind of food?
Chicken din po.
Why chicken?
Ayun po yung lagi kinakain namin ng mga tropa kapag kumakain kami sa race.
Okay, bonding talaga nilang kumain ng manok. Okay, sige, next. Tingin kayo kay Ashanti. Okay.
Sa akin, siomai rice.
Okay, siomai rice. Okay. Why siomai rice?
Eh, lagi niyang siyasabay sa amin kapag pipili kami sa kantin.
Okay. Okay, mga addicts sa siomai rice. Next, what kind of food Ashanti is? Okay, chicken.
Kasi po, joyful po siya. And yun po yung favorite namin kinakain sa ingredient namin.
Alright, joyful. Jollibee. Okay, next.
Ano po? Kare-kare. Ay, caldereta.
Sige, caldereta.
Caldereta na may orange. Tapos siya po yung orange. Kasi pag binigyan mo siya, mukhang mabait. Pero pag pinilitan mo, matamis.
Oh, so sweet and rainy. Okay, next.
Sana all. Spicy adobo.
Okay, spicy adobo. Why po spicy adobo?
Kasi spicy siya and hot.
Alright, a hot person. Sige, next.
Cinnamon roll po. Kasi po sweet po siya.
Alright, the sweet person. Sweet daw. Sweet ba si Ashanti? Very sweet. Makita-kita naman, no, on how she handled her friends. No, all of you are so humble. Yes?
Same din po, cinnamon roll. Kasi sweet po siya at the same time may hint na spice.
Alright, thank you. Spicy, hot, and sweet. Yes?
Sinigang po.
Alright, sinigang. Bakit po sinigang?
Di pa nga ito explain eh. Kasi...
Maasim.
Kasi may asim pa siya tsaka masarap.
Masarap siya. Natikman naman na siya. Nagbibiro lang po siya. Mami, nagbibiro lang siya. Okay.
So, paano manalo? Pangitalo.
Hindi kayo talo. Okay, sige. Next.
Steak.
Okay, steak. Why steak?
Expensive.
Alright, expensive.
Ako po adobo din.
Adobo. Why adobo?
Kasi marunong po siya magluto.
For me, chicken din. Kasi naalala ko, yung pag nag-visit ako sa kanila, nilulutuan niya ako lagi ng chicken.
Alright, full of chicken. Okay, next.
Siopaw.
Okay, why siopaw?
Kasi ano yung
bawal mag-away ha.
Ano kasi lagi ko siyang inaasar ng siopaw. Kasi mukha siyang siopaw.
Sabi niya, mamaya ka sa akin. Okay.
For me, itlog na maalat.
Oh, itlog na maalat. Why po?
Kasi yung chicks niya, same color with the itlog na maalat. Also, the itlog na maalat is good for sweet and savory. I guess she can fix to all, maybe.
Alright, no? Thank you. Yung itlog na maalat. Okay, next.
For me po, isa na leche plan po.
Okay, let's check. Why?
Sweet po siya, soft-spoken, na medyo maingay.
Alright.
Alam mo ha?
Okay, yes? Again? Okay, chicken.
Ginagawa mo po sila.
Baka nadalalig. Okay, sige, seryoso. Why chicken? Ayun lang, ginagawa na sila. Alright, once again, palangpagan po namin ang ating 18 shots. So,